Friday, April 17th. I'm Yvonne de Celis, and it's 6:12 p.m. First off, sorry as usual for taking so long to get here. It took me a while to get to the point where I could figure out which video I wanted to do next. I've done a lot of videos with exercises on how to calm down, because while this COVID-19 virus pandemic is going strong, I know people are freaking out. This is a slightly different one. I'm going to show two exercises, two easy to do from home exercises, energy healing exercises you can do. One to give you a feeling of confidence and just closeness. It'll wrap your energy field around you. And the other one is a radiant hearts exercise, which basically simulates the physical feeling you feel during times of joy. So these are exercises you can do to help your confidence, your sense of balance, and also a feeling of happiness. I'm hoping these exercises will help you. Before I get going, just one word on Reiki breathing. Best breathing method for Reiki is to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, if at all possible. If that's not possible, the most important thing is to have your tongue touching the roof of your mouth up against the back of your top teeth. Excuse me one sec, just want to drink some water so I don't start clicking. I apologize. I take a lot of medications because I have multiple sclerosis, and I have had someone complain to me about the clicking voice that I get when I get dry mouth, so that's why I do the water drinking. Sorry about that once again. But the most important thing, once again, with Reiki breathing is to have your tongue touching the roof of your mouth when you inhale. You can let it drop when you exhale. There's several reasons for that. For our purposes, it's to keep your mouth from drying out and to keep you focused on your breathing and to help de-stress you. So I'm just going to show you these two exercises. I hope you like them. Please leave me comments down below, and even if it's just to say hello, I'd love to hear that people are doing okay or that they're alive. I just want to hear from people. I'm curious as to how people are. I'm worried about people. I'm worried about you, and I'm sending prayers and healthy energy and loving vibes your way. All that said, let me go into the energy exercises. The first one I want to show you is the one to give you a feeling of confidence. This is called the energy weave, weaving your energy. I'm going to do this seated, but I am going to stand up for part of it, but you can do all of the exercises I'm going to show you, you can do seated. So you want to start with your hands not touching your ear, but near your ear, about a couple inches away from your ears. So start in this position. Take a breath in. And now on the out breath, bring your elbows together. Touch your elbows together, and then bring your arms, wave them across. And that's on the out breath. And then on the in breath, now you're going to bring your arms out, swing them out, and then bring them back together on the in breath. And then on the next out breath, you're going to bring them out once again, but just bend forward and bring it out so that the palms of your hand are facing the ceiling. And now when you swing your arms up, you're going to swing them up and in front of you like this. And now if you want to do jazz hands here, you can. That's up to you. But you want to just bring them down. So let's do this one more time. I might stand for some of this. So once again, breathe in through the nose. Bring the ears, your hands to your ears. So in and out. And now weave your arms together. In. And bring them out, swing them out. Out as you bring them back together. And the next out breath, bring them back out and bend over and twist so that the palms of your hands are facing the ceiling. And bring them up in front. And again, if you want to do jazz hands here, you can. I've seen Donna Eden's daughters both do this and do jazz hands on the way down. And when you're done with that, just rub your hands together, shake them out. That's the Celtic Weave. So that's the first one. I'm hoping that will give you some confidence. I'm just trying to find my microphone to make sure it's recording. I've broken the clip, so it's kind of hanging haphazardly from my top. Hope you guys can hear me okay. Sorry if you can't. Anyway, the last exercise is Radiant Hearts. And again, like I said before, this basically will simulate what you feel physically when you're experiencing joy. I do have to stand for this, but as I said, you don't have to. You can sit. But you want to keep your hands together facing each other at the pubic bone, down at the pubic bone. What you want to do is start tracing hearts. So you bring them up to your waist, go back down, point, then go up over the pecs, and then down. And again, what we're doing is tracing a heart. Go back up now to over the head, down, back down to the pubic bone, and then on the last one, hands together, go up, over the head, and then go out, and then twist. Go back down to your pubic bone, and you can do this again. You can do this last part as many times as you want. So again, sorry, I'm getting mixed up here. Start at the pubic bone, go all the way up to the top, and then twist and go back down to the pubic bone. And then when you're ready to be done, you can do that last one as many times as you want, but when you're ready, bring your hands up to prayer position. From prayer position, just rub your hands together, shake them out. So that was the Radiant Hearts exercise. You should notice a temperature shift, particularly when you reach the point where you're bringing your hands up and way over your head and then going down and doing the heart trace. That last heart trace, you should hopefully feel a temperature shift. That temperature shift, that feeling that you get, is supposed to simulate the feeling that we get when our bodies experience joy. So I really hope that was helpful for you. Thank you, as always, once again for coming to my channel. I'll be back as soon as I can, but please, once again, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Please hit the subscribe button if you'd like to find out more about my channel. Thank you, as always, for your time once again, and please know I'm very, very concerned for everyone. I really do hope you are well. I hope you and your family are staying safe, and that you're taking care of yourselves and everyone else. This is a time for us all to stick together. I know it's not a great time, but I know we're going to get past this and we're going to be better for it. When all is said and done, once everything is done and everything is finally back to normal, things are going to be better. So things are going to get better. If you're lonely, please know you are not alone. I've spoken to a lot of people who feel very isolated right now. You're not. I'm here for you. Please come back to this video anytime and write to me anytime you wish. I promise I will write you back. Thank you once again so much for your time. Take care of yourselves. Be well. Peace and light, and namaste.